Okay, Brian, I'm going off.
Oh, there he is!
Oh. Brian, off the cliff, off the cliff, off the cliff.
You guys are both probably. Oh!
Well, you went off the cliff. Oh! What?
Oh my god. This game.
Of course, I play them differently than people like Alex. I like that part where he's like, I couldn't choose who to save during that part. You have to choose which one of your friends to save or kill or save. And I was like, damn it, I wanted both of them dead.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
Fuck.
Oh no, I broke her.
I had no item!
Oh my god! No!
Does it buff my stuff even more when I'm holding?
I'm gonna die.
What the fuck?
Wait, what? I got you up. What happened? What?
Wait,
What's going on?
whoa,
Oh, what the fuck is going on?
Where are you?
Where the fuck am I? Huh? What? Oh. Okay.
Darren saw your eggplant.
Oh yeah, what's he doing?
I didn't give any context.
Yeah?
That looks like you put the masturbating thing for Maple. At first she's like, what is that? Like, just harder. I don't get it. No. Can you...
You okay?
What? What happened? What? Oh, bugs! Shit. Oh shit, my game froze. The connection?
Your opponent's connection was lost. Tom?
Shit, Tom. Oh. Compelled to give me a fucking skill points instead of fucking. Whoa! What happened? What? Wait, he still nailed me with the buff from there? Shit!
Oh shit, that's not good. Oh, let him. Maximum Western! Stop it. Oh. Oh, wait, it's not doing anything! Wait, is this a wave? Wait, back up into this corner.
Oh, he's on the wall.
Shit, I look better. Get away from me!
I'll take his health back.
Yeah. We'll get you in a minute. I'm trapped. Oh. I got cornered in the gas. Oh, fuck that.
They always had underwear on, so I'm assuming the patch just took that off. But they showed their tops uncensored in the base game.
Good for you.
Not you attacked me. It's not good for me. It's how we escalated the war.
I need an excuse to go to DEF CON 1. Or
Weren't we
3
already
or
at
something.
DEF CON 1? What were we before DEF CON 1 then?
Or I don't know, which is the better DEF CON?
You mean the worst?
No, the better one. Where you can, like, declare war on people and nuke people.
DEF CON 5 is like the worst.
Oh shit, I don't remember. I don't remember if the numbers get bigger, scarier.
The bigger is scarier. Oh my god.
Holy god! I'm already scared!
Holy crap!
Keep your distances. Yeah, be careful.
I'm not kidding. I'm just throwing myself in there. I'm gonna style on it. Oh shit.
Oh shit! No! No! Oh god.
Oh
the
my
funniest
god.
ambush scene I've ever seen.
I do. I can't get up.
Oh shit. I blocked that guy mid-flight. Oh, he can't finish it!
Go.
I wish I had shadow point working. I don't. You're dead. I'm sorry. I'm not going back.
No, we gotta go back for him.
Be my guest.
And well, it seems like she's already gotten used to the place. So she's still- Myth. You're an older sister, Azuki. No joke. Especially for Coconut. You're always nearby taking care of her. That's why I figured that you could let your guard down and take a well-deserved break from being everyone's older sister here.
Is that a grenade?
Oh, what is that?
To do what?
Oh my god!
Big band. Yeah. Yeah, everything in his coat.
No!
What?
I don't like that. Wait, where'd Steve go? I wasn't paying attention. Oh no!
Oh. That did not feel good.
What the fuck is with all these arrows? The hell?
Are we gonna see Simmons?
Oh, son of a bitch! Oh! God damn it!
Oh no! Oh shit! I didn't physically crap myself, but it was so loud.
Shit. Oh god.
Crush coma.
Let's see if somebody dudes in
Hit him! Somebody hit him! What did you do? No! Get exploded!
Holy shit!
Holy fucking shit.
How can we not see?
So cute, yeah. It feels so good. So good. I never felt like this. And don't. No. Wait. Oni-chan, stop. I hear voices. Stop. I hear footsteps.
Oh, Storm Guard. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Go over here, over here, over here, over here.
It's a big door without you.
Troy! Oh!
I thought they would notice me.
No! You were a foot away from him!
Hold them to me. I'm dead.
Best girls. I recommend.
Best
Vinny's
girls.
Gray.
Did you hear that?
It's a girl.
He was
Girl.
talking about both of them.
No, it's a girl.
But there's only one best girl.
There is only
No,
one
I think he
best
likes the
girl.
blue one too. I don't know
No,
what
I said best girl.
What the fuck is going on?
Get him, get him.
Don't rush it.
No!
Meow meow.
Oh no, they're ramming me!
Oh shit. Whoa.
I don't
I
have
got
any
you.
ammo. 3 seconds.
I got you.
What are you doing?
So I was like, when are you gonna start drinking your diarrhea?
What?
They did like a laxative.
That's not good.
Uh-oh, I woke it up.
They're here. Troy, I know how to jump, unlike some people.
I can jump. Watch, I can jump from here to there. See? I almost died.
Oh no! Oh, wait, that's bullshit. I get captured in our CPUs. Like, what are they doing?
They're nowhere near me.
They teleported over to me.
Oh shit, she's got a spork. She's got a... Wait. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh. Two more times.
Wait,
Wait a
you
minute.
can still lock onto
Wait a
him.
minute. What's
Oh,
going on
back
here?
up, back up, back up!
Oh shit.
Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Shit!
I'm all out of Estus.
Brian, come here.
Wait, I can only go to one person at a time.
I'm so scared.
Laser beams.
Come here, everybody, come here!
Even Prince of Bel-Air.
What the fuck is the tank doing?
Oh no, I didn't kill it. It's stuck under a porch. Oh, he's free.
Is he?
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are. Why the tank is...
Look, he's burrowing under it right now.
Okay, get ready for that dive bomb.
Kill him!
I saw you get knocked out.
What? How that hit me?
With the zero sum discharge.
Yeah,
Knock him down. Jump on his head, Brian.
Oh no.
Hit me! Do it! Alright, here we go.
You're so
Fire though!
I have 400 defense.
I want to ride him! Ah! Wait, he's coming down! He's coming!
Wait, why did you run into me? I was putting my gun away.
Oh Jesus!
Ow! He's still going!
And he stopped! Oh no! Why over here? Ah! No! No! No!